How to get a divorce in San Bernardino County without drama. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're looking to get divorced in San Bernardino County and want to keep things simple, fast, and stress-free, the key is choosing the right process, especially if you and your spouse are in agreement. The best way to avoid drama is through an amicable divorce. That means both parties agree on major issues like property division, support, and parenting. From there, we handle the paperwork, serve your spouse properly, complete all financial disclosures, and submit your final judgment without court appearances or conflict. We recently helped a couple in San Bernardino who had been married for 12 years. They agreed on everything but didn't know how to handle the legal side. We took care of the entire process from filing to final judgment within 30 days. The court approved their paperwork with no delays and they were able to move on peacefully. At Divorce 661, we specialize in amicable, flat-fee divorce services. We guide you step by step, prepare all required documents, and e-file with the San Bernardino court. No drama, no confusion, just a smooth process from start to finish. If you're ready to get divorced without the stress, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you complete your divorce quickly, affordably, and without unnecessary conflict.